As you've already learned from our theoretical lesson, chips can be of different types, and in this lesson, I will show you how to properly repair this kind of chip. It is called a bullseye. The first tool we will need is a scriber. What is it for? The first thing we need to do is position the injector in such a way that our sealing ring. This way, we align our injector properly. We will be using a standard polymer, and now you can see how the polymer fills the chip under pressure. As I mentioned earlier, our injector can both create pressure and generate a vacuum. Why do we need a vacuum? Well, we now need to remove this air. How will we do that? After completing this procedure, I recommend. Next, we need to use this protective film. The repair was done very quickly, literally in just 10 to 15 minutes, it was fully fixed. The cost of such a repair is approximately $40 to $50.